Hi, my beautiful internet friends, and welcome back to Get Set Fab. My name is Shuchi, and my motivation behind creating this channel is to make hair and makeup easy and simple to recreate. Guys, if you enjoy watching my videos at all, please consider subscribing to my channel and press the bell icon right next to it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I do my foundation, concealer, and everything on my face except the eyes and the lips. So if you're interested to know how to do that, especially in the winter season, then let's begin. I have already gone ahead and moisturized my face with some CeraVe moisturizer because in winters I get really dry and I have a dry to normal skin. So I'm going ahead and priming my face with some Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. It is really quick as a primer, of course, because it's a spray, and it does make my skin look and feel hydrated and further moisturized. So I love both these things and I leave them alone for about 10 to 15 minutes to work its magic onto my skin and get settled down into my skin properly. While these two products are working its magic, I'm going ahead and doing my brows because brows really frame your face. So do not ever forget doing your eyebrows. I have a detailed tutorial on how I do my brows in the eye above, or you can find the link to the video in the description box below. Guys, this was the last time when I used this product because I completely broke it one day. So I am actually on the hunt. If you have any recommendations, please comment in the comments box below and let me know so that I can go ahead, purchase it, try it, and love it. To camouflage the dark circles and the discoloration on my face, I'm using this orange color corrector from the LA Girl and blending it all very lightly with the damp beauty blender. Sometimes when the dark circle and the pigmentation on my face is on its peak, then I use the double concealing technique in which I'm going to use a concealer over the orange color corrector and blend them both really lightly into each other. As my foundation today, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 310, which is actually my winter color, dabbing it on half of the face because it dries out pretty quickly. So use it on the half of the face first and then go ahead with the other half of the face. I love the finish of this foundation. After an hour or so, it doesn't stay as matte. If you have intensely moisturized your skin, it's going to give you very nice and skin-like finish. Now to further conceal and highlight my face, I'm going to use the combination of these two. That is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade number 25 and the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade medium. These two are pretty similar in color. And since these two are very drying under my eyes and especially in the winters, so I'm going to mix in a tad bit, like a tad bit of petroleum jelly and mixing all these three really well on the back of my hand. And now I'm going to put this mixture on to the areas where I want to further conceal and highlight. To blend it all, I'm just going to damp my beauty blender a little with the Smashbox primer because my sponge is a little dry, and also this method is going to lock the concealer in place for the entire day. And then just dab, but with super light hands because you don't want to move any product that you have applied underneath. So do it with really softly, gently, lovingly with your light hands, okay? Guys, I know this is a long process, but trust me, it is so worth it. If you want your makeup base to look like flawless and beautiful and skin-like, then do take your time with blending. Do not hesitate to invest your time in blending your makeup because you don't want your makeup to cake up or not look like your second skin. Now set all your mehnat in place. Please use a translucent powder or a pressed powder. Today I'm going to use this Laura Mercier's translucent powder on the concealed and highlighted areas with the help of this Real Techniques brush. I completely forgot the name of it. This is going to prevent my face from shining where I don't want the shine and mostly going to help me with the creasing. But you know what? I like the pressed powders more than the translucent loose powders, like Kick-Ass Soap and Glory's pressed powder. First, it is available in banana shade, which is complementing to the dusky skin, that is my skin. Secondly, it has no flashbacks in the flash photography. Third, it doesn't make me look like powdery and dryish, especially under my eyes. Have you ever tried Laura Mercier translucent powder and you didn't like it, or you don't like it, or you prefer something else over Laura Mercier translucent powder or the translucent powder in general? Um, Comment below and let me know what do you think about it. I just like to bronze my face, and for that, today I'm using the Balm Cosmetics Bahama Mama bronzing powder and hitting the perimeters of my face and also the sides of my nose using the same brush. I'm a blush baby, and I'm going to hit my cheeks with this beautiful tarte blush in the shade Quirky. It is completely matte and peachy color, and it is just right for the brown skin babes. I'm really hitting it hard on my cheeks with the Real Techniques brush and going back and upwards to give the face that uplifted illusion. Oh, now it's OFRA time, baby! Sorry for that. It's a Rodeo drive or Rodeo drive. I mean, every single time I use this highlighter, I always get wowed. So now I'm just going to hit it on the highest points of my face, that is the cheeks. I mean, the cheekbones, the cheeks, the forehead, and little bit on my chin because you smile all the time. That's it. That's the finished look without the eyes and the lips. This is the winter weatherproof makeup, and trust me, you're going to like it. Do try this. Do try this. Now, let me just quickly go and finish my makeup, and I'll be back. So, guys, this is the finished look. I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, then please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment in the comment section below, and also you can throw in some contacts and curl your hair if you like. I hope you're going to watch these two videos that I have linked here, and we become friends on the social media. So do hit me up on the social media. My social media account details are going to be in the description box below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye. Take care. Mwah. Bye.